Hi everyone, thanks for joining me for learning this little piece of choreography. I call this one the Mad Scientist, and here's how it goes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so yes, the walk off is a part of the combination. Remember, you can rewind or pause whenever you need to. So we're going to start with our feet together. You lift the heels up and down, bring your elbows up and look down. And then you close your elbows in front of you and look up, sort of like you're doing hot yoga. From there, your arms come down in front of you, and then you take your shoulders in one circle towards the back. Just one. After that one shoulder circle, you're going to take 2 steps forward, bring your arms behind your back. You have right foot and then left foot. Leave your left foot there, step back, right, and open the arms. You're going to be laying your head on your right forearm, and then you bring your right arm down to meet your left, open it again, bring the arms down to gather up your left leg. When your left foot touches your right knee, your right hand is extended, and then you fall out of it. You walk left, left, and then you take a tendu to the front with your right foot. Your arms are rounded, and your palms are facing inside. From there, you're going to rond de jambe the right leg and peek under your right arm. From there, you take a chasse and circle your right arm up and over your head. You're going to take 3 steps to turn left, right, left, and then you throw your arms up and over your head. Okay, so let's try all of that with the proper counts. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shoulder 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7. Open 8. 1 and 2, 3. Open 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rond de jambe 2. Chasse 4, 5 and 6. This is 7, 8. All right, this time we're going to try it with music. Here we go. Okay, let's reset and try that all again. 5, 6, 7, 8. You threw your arms back on 7, you step back 8, step back 1, cross your hands on 2. Keep the hands crossed, bring them up over your head, bring them down to your right side, then elbows back. Cross your hands again to your left side. From there, we're going to lift our right foot off of the floor, and you're going to bring it behind your left leg and then in front of your left leg as you turn. You step out of that, so don't feel like you have to stick it. Let's try that again. Your arms are going to open as you take that turn around to face front again. You step right out of it, right foot to left, and then left foot to right, bringing the feet really close together and the legs are straight. You walk right, left, left in a circle. Once you've gotten around to the front again, you're going to do a little jump straight up and down and bring your hands into your center and back out again when you land. Once you've landed, you're going to circle your shoulders, right shoulder back, left shoulder back, then your elbows, right elbow back, left elbow back, and then your whole arm, right arm back, left arm back, and then you walk. As you're doing those shoulder circles, elbow circles, and whole arm circles, make sure that you are slightly stepping forward with your feet. Let's try all of that with counts. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open 8, close 1, open 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Time do. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Throw 7. Step 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7. Jump 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. All right, this time we're going to try it with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, this is the last time we're going to do this one, but as usual, go back and do it as many times as you like. Thanks everyone. Join me for next week's combo.